everybody, Dan the Lego Man here, and today we will be building the LEGO DC Universe superheroes, the Bat vs. Bane, Tumbler Chase. This is set number 76001 and consists of 368 pieces. This set is based off of the film The Dark Knight Rises, and we get 3 minifigures and 2 vehicles. We get Batman, Commissioner Gordon, and Bane. Just like with all the other DC Universe superhero sets, we get a comic book included. On the top of the box, we can see the 3 minifigures you get with this set. You get Batman, Bane, and Commissioner Gordon. This is the actual size of Batman, and you can see the detail of his print, which looks like the movie The Dark Knight Rises, his first Batsuit. On the back of the box, you can see the 2 vehicles you get to build and the 3 minifigures in comparison to them. Also, it demonstrates the movability on Batman's flying machine, and we get to see that the Bane's tumbler shoots a firing mechanism. Pretty excited about this set. I'm just gonna get right in and start building. Well, that concludes today's build of the LEGO DC Universe Superheroes Batman set, the Bat vs. Bane, Tumbler Chase. This set is number 76001. It consisted of 368 pieces and took me right around a half an hour to complete. Overall, I thought this was a really cool build and will go great with my Batman collection. All right, everybody, that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell to get notified on new speed build videos coming soon. Thanks.